John.
I was so happy when I saw your invite. I'm like, hell yeah. Crazy. How are you?
I'm pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm working my ass off. It's been a little stressful, but yeah, how are you, man? What are you up to?
Just, really, honestly, taking it a little bit easy. I was out of town for a few weeks, trying to get these projects closed out, figuring out what to do. And, my wife and kids are gone, so I've got a little break here. So I'm always doing something, but trying to figure things out.
Sure. Where are they at?
They're in Moscow.
What are they doing over there?
My wife is from Moscow.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Yes, yeah. It's been years since my kids were there. They haven't been since their grandfather passed away during COVID. So it's been quite a few years. So obviously, it's very difficult to get there.
Yeah.
Like I was traveling with my son mostly through Germany. Met up with my wife and daughter in Madrid, and then we went to visit a couple friends of hers on the northwest coast in Spain. And then they left from there to go down to Portugal, and they went from Lisbon to Belgrade to Istanbul, and then flew from Istanbul to Moscow.
No way. God,
yeah.
So I just got my passport redone, and I'm like, so since we last talked, Cindy has officially retired.
Oh, wow. All right.
So like that is a real thing, and
she wants to go somewhere now. He's like, I got time, let's go somewhere. Yep. I love it.
We're looking at 5 trips in the next 9 months.
Awesome.
We're looking at going to Spain. Although, okay, so I love that you just got back from Madrid. We're thinking about going to Barcelona. What was the temperature like because I keep hearing 2 things. There are a lot of anti-tourist protests. I keep hearing that.
Don't worry about that bullshit.
Okay.
Really, the only place that really felt and we were there in July, right? Because I left on the 20th. So I left with my son, I think on the 30th. So we landed we were mostly in Germany. We landed in Berlin on the 1st. So it was all July that I was there, obviously high season. And the only place where it really felt over touristed was Prague. The old center part of the city, it's just like this tourist magnet for a good reason. It's really worth seeing, and everyone wants to, get there and see it. So outside of that, Madrid, it seemed fine, really. Maybe, but but if you're going, in the next 9 months, you're not in high season, so I wouldn't even worry about it. Madrid was very hot, but the town that we were at in the northwest coast, A Coruña, totally temperate. It's on the Atlantic, and apparently the weather there is pretty nice all year round. That was a nice spot. I wouldn't have gone there if my wife's friends weren't living there. One of them is from A Coruña, which the claim to fame at the moment for the town is that it's the headquarters of Zara. The guy that started Zara is from this city. Really, it's a lovely city too. So Spain was great. The food is amazing. So Germany, the food not as good, but really I actually have not been to Germany before, and it was terrific. They just like the quality of life there is very high.
How is the exchange rate? That's the other caution I have, right? The U.S. euro has changed like a 133 now.
Is it up that high?
It's really high.
It was 115 like a couple of weeks ago. It hasn't moved that much, has it?
I don't know. I just thought I saw something at like one.
Yeah, I don't think it's that high. We could check it, but I don't think. Historically, it's still lower. It's not terrible. And for the most part, pricing in Madrid was a little higher. My perspective is totally skewed because New York is ridiculously expensive. So it doesn't matter where I go, everything is cheaper. Everything.
See, I guess I hadn't thought of that, right? we're still functionally living at a teacher's salary.
Yeah, right. The worst was like, oh, okay, well, it's like New York prices, so it's the same. I didn't feel anywhere where like, wow, it's more than New York.
Okay, all right.
It was the same or less. So, and then depending, so the smaller towns, you'll definitely find less. I think really only Madrid, I felt like it was similar to New York prices. That was. Other than that, restaurants, it's not, here, like you go out to eat, it's ridiculous. There's the bill, there's like almost 10% tax, and then there's tip, right? Yeah. So you're looking at like 25-30% more than what the prices are. There, whatever price you're seeing, that's what you're paying.
Wow.
So like the difference is basically that, all the restaurants I was eating at, price might look similar to the price for an entree in New York, but that's the total price, tax, tip, everything. So if I'm effectively paying 25 to 30% more more on top of that number that I'm seeing on the menu, that's a huge difference.
Wow, interesting.